Racing just started. We have Love Minstrel. Break quickly at a start. Ninjitsu moving apart the outside. La Dolce Vita. Next on line is Fabiola. Then followed by Because of You. Luck to Win. Masaga ng Ani. Prince Dugo. Then comes Shuttler's Treasure. Perfect Move. While Citrus Admiral is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Love Minstrel by about half length, and in second is Ninjitsu. Moving apart the outside is La Dolce Vita. Down in fourth is Masaga ng Ani. Luck to Win. Fabiola comes next, then followed by Because of You. Down on the inside is Prince Dugo. In the middle portion is Shuttler's Treasure. Perfect Move. While entry number 9, Citrus Admiral is still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have Love Minstrel maintaining a half length lead. Ninjitsu in second, trying to get closer in third is Luck to Win. Masaga ng Ani. Fabiola, Shuttler's Treasure moving apart the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Love Minstrel by about 2 lengths. Moving apart the outside is Shuttler's Treasure. Masaga ng Ani is down on the inside. Luck to Win in the middle. Last 100 meters, we have Love Minstrel by about 3 lengths, followed now by Shuttler's Treasure, and finally, it's going to be Love Minstrel. Shuttler's Treasure. Then comes Masaga ng Ani, Luck to Win, Ninjitsu, and Fabiola for your Super 6.